So one more thing for you to think about in terms of letting go. I have, over time, made several projects. These are projects I do for my own learning, for my video series. I also use them in workshops. I use them to show educators and students what is possible. But here's the thing. Sometimes we become so anchored down to these projects that not only do they occupy our physical space, they start to occupy our mental space. And what I mean by that is, I've had this project now for like 3 years. I think it's really good. It took me forever to wire the lights. I've got conductive ink. I vinyl cut this amazing vinyl. It's just awesome. I truly love this project. However, because I've held on to it, I haven't really pushed my boundaries in my workshops of what can I do next? What can I try? How do I one-up this project? Because in the back of my head, I know with time, I'm going to wait till the last minute, and I can always pull this project out and use it for my, in this case, the Makey project. So, because I've had it for so long, this has been really tough, but I need to let this go. And the reason I'm letting it go is to get rid of space that's being consumed, but more importantly, for my mental space, it's gone. And now the next time I need to do something, I'm back in the learner seat again. I'm excited because now, holy cow, I have to make something, and I have to make it awesome. And I guess what? I have a video to show people this, but now I need to have something better. And now all of a sudden, my sparks of curiosity, of creativity, of pushing my own learning to the next level is going to skyrocket because of that. So as much as this was helpful to use in workshops, it's been hindering me. It's been hindering me as a leader in learning, my own learning process, and being a lifelong learner. And so it's time to let it go. These are the things that are really, really hard to do, but essential. So as you're going through your space, look at those examples that you've made, and is it time to let it go? Or, as we've been saying, it's gone.